Today we are looking at a totally rebuilt Davis 12 by 30 roller mill. This mill is equipped with a 40 horsepower, 208, 220, 440 volt motor. The rolls are 12 inches in diameter by 30 inches wide. This motor has been totally rebuilt by our motor shop. New leads and new bearings have been installed. Here we are looking at the rolls. It has 12 grooves per inch on each roll. This can be used to roll oats, milo, also cracked corn, and many other grains. Looking here at the front of the mill, you have your roll gap adjustments on both sides of the mill, and these are for locking your adjustment in place. This is your in-feed gate adjustment. It is important that you always keep your in-feed gate closed until after you have already started the machine. Then you gradually increase the feed after the machine is running. This is your compression spring adjustment wrench. Just under the hopper you have your roll inspection door. Looking in the hopper you have a magnet to catch any foreign metal material that might be in your product. There is also a rotating agitator just under the magnet to help keep an even feed of grain going to the rolls. Here I have the unit running. Totally rebuilt Davis 12 by 30 roller mill.